How to withdraw money from Exodus wallet to your bank account. So to withdraw money from Exodus wallet to a bank account, you'll need to sell your cryptocurrency on a crypto exchange like Coinbase and then transfer the funds to your bank. So Exodus itself doesn't directly support withdrawals to bank accounts, so this requires using a third-party service. So here's what you can do step by step. First, send your crypto to a crypto exchange. Open the Exodus app, select the crypto you want to withdraw, and then choose the send option. Then next is copy the exchange deposit address. So on the exchange like Coinbase, find your crypto deposit address for the specific coin you want to sell. And then paste the address and send the crypto. In Exodus, paste the exchange address and confirm the transaction. And then sell your crypto on the exchange. Once the crypto is in your exchange account, log into the exchange and sell your crypto for the equivalent fiat currency like USD. And then lastly, withdraw to your bank account. The exchange will then allow you to withdraw the funds to your bank account. And then after that, you'll now have successfully withdrawn your funds to your bank account from Exodus Wallet. Although it may take a few business days, like 1 to 3, but other than that, you'll have to wait for a few hours. And that's how you withdraw money from Exodus to bank account.